One of the biggest questions we hear from a customer is, what does the process of going solar actually looks like? Is it complicated? And how much effort it's going to take from my team? These are fair concerns, because when you're running a Class A facility, you don't have time for guesswork. The good news, the solar process is structured, predictable, and designed to mitigate investment risk. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps, from the very first bill you send us, all the way to issuing a purchase order, so you know exactly what to expect. Step 1 is simple. You provide your past 12 months of hydro bills. Why? Because those bills tell the story of your facility. They show us when your peak demand is, how much you're paying for global adjustment, and whether solar is a good fit based on your consumption. Now, based on those bills, we can see exactly how solar would line up with your operation and start estimating the savings. Next, we'll create a preliminary proposal for you. This is a high-level snapshot that answers 2 key questions. How much does it cost? And what's my ROI? For example, your facility with $1 million annual hydro bill might see a 1 megawatt rooftop system offsetting over $200,000 a year. At this stage, it's clear, and it's enough to decide whether to move forward. Step 3 is the site visit. Our engineers survey your roof, confirm the structural capacity, inspect electrical rooms, and identify tie-in points. Why is this step critical? Because not every roof is solar ready. By doing this early, we eliminate surprises like discovering shadings from adjacent buildings or that reinforcements are needed. It's all about protecting your ROI before a single panel goes on your roof. Once we have the site data, we move to a firm proposal. This isn't a back of a napkin estimate. It's a detailed system design, a clear energy production forecast, and a financial model that includes Ontario's incentives and the federal investment tax credit. This is where the decision makers can see, here's the cost, here's the saving, and here is the payback period. It's the clarity CFOs and the boards need to see before they say yes with confidence. Step 5 is the feasibility study. This is a deep dive engineering package that includes 4 things: electrical review, structural review, incentive application, and most important of all, connection impact assessment. It's the technical proof that your project works before we built it in the real world. Finally, once the feasibility study checks out and all the stakeholders are aligned, you issue a purchase order. That's when our team moves into detail engineering, securing your permits, procurement, and installation of the system. From there, the process is turnkey, meaning minimum lifts from your team while we handle the heavy work. So that's the roadmap: bills, preliminary proposal, site visit, firm proposal, feasibility study, and purchase order. Each step is about reducing risk, building certainty, and making sure your solar project delivers exactly what we promised: cost savings, predictability, and a clear ROI. In our next episode, we'll show you how pairing solar with battery storage takes this even one step further, cutting coincidental peak charges and adding resilience to your facility. I'm Lorenzo from CircuitEnergy. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next episode.